Samsung Galaxy S11. We have seen many CAD designs of this device depending on its leaks. But here we got some of the real life pictures of Samsung Galaxy S11 that leaked some days back. Hi, my name is Femil from fmjtech.com and let's analyze the real life leak photos of Samsung Galaxy S11. Let's get right into the video. If you haven't watched my previous video of Samsung Galaxy S11, you can watch it from the card popping up right now or check the link in the description. This is a real image of Samsung Galaxy S11. To protect its identity, the device is enclosed in an engineering case, and ICE Universe confirmed it with this tweet. It's maybe in the hands of a Samsung engineer for testing and to get real-life feedback. Whatever, see the camera bump. Even with the case on, the camera bump is projecting outside. The camera designs looks little ugly. Yeah, we have seen it from its renders as well as the S11 series back case designs. Even though ICE Universe says that these real photos are the photos of Galaxy S11, from the camera and flash arrangement it looks like it's not S11, it's S11e. Most of these images are blurred. Maybe because it is to preserve the identity of the Samsung engineer who is testing this device. Maybe at the end of this month we can see some more images of it when the production starts. Anyway, I will update you with a new video when I get more info about the Samsung Galaxy S11. Stay subscribed, my name is Swemil and see you guys in the next one. Bye.